If you're experiencing a billing hold on your Binance account, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you understand the process to remove the hold and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Binance regarding the billing hold. They may have provided specific instructions or reasons for the hold that you need to address. Step 2. Verify your identity. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the verification section. Ensure that all your personal information is up to date and that you have completed any required identity verification processes. Step 3. Review payment methods. Go to the payment methods section in your account settings. Confirm that your linked payment methods are valid and have not expired. Update any outdated information if necessary. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ash.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for updates. Be sure to check your spam folder as well. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider following up with them for a status update. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the billing hold on your Binance account efficiently. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to seek additional support.